How to find what plugin has an error on WordPress with cPanel. After installing a plugin on your WordPress site, you may find that your site may not load. Maybe a plugin was not compatible with the version of WordPress installed, or there was some kind of issues with the plugin installation, and you may not be able to access the WordPress admin dashboard. How can you find what plugin has an error on it? If you just installed the plugin and you get an error, it means you need to deactivate that plugin. I have made some videos on how you can manually disable a plugin with an FTP or cPanel account. You can check those videos in the description. But how can you find what plugin has an error if you find your site crashed? Let's try to log in on our administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. You see the error. To log into the administration panel, we will need to connect with a cPanel account. On the browser, enter into your cPanel account. You can do that by going to your domain name /cPanel. Log in to your cPanel. Click on File Manager. Go to the path of your WordPress install. This is usually on public_HTML, but it can be a different path. Open folder WP-content. Here you will see the folder Plugins. Right-click on the Plugins folder. On the menu, click on Rename. Let's add 2 also. Now let's go back to the WordPress admin panel. Now refresh the page. You see, now I can log in on the site. So let's log into the dashboard. Go with the mouse over Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. You do not worry about these errors, but now you deactivated all plugins on your site. Now to add back the plugins, go to the cPanel File Manager. Right-click on the folder you just renamed. Click again on Rename. Delete the 2 figure. Perfect! Now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Refresh the page. You will now see the full list of plugins. You will have to activate every plugin one by one. This way, you will see exactly what plugin gets you the error. You see now an error. This is the plugin that was causing the error. Now activate all other plugins and your site should be fine. This is how you find what plugin has an error on WordPress with cPanel. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.